I'm Dylan, and to me, running is ever evolving. It started as a way to get back in shape, then to race. Now I run because I love to explore. My usual go-to shoe is a Pegasus, and the tempos feel beefier, more cushy than the Zoom Fly. The look of the NikeTempoNext Percent is unreal. I love the cushioning. They're especially comfortable when running hard over long distances. They just feel fast. Tempo to me is a target pace, a certain distance with a goal pace in mind. I want to push my limits and find out just how fast I can go. Going fast is freeing. You realize just how much you're capable of when you've hit a speed you never thought possible. My tempo can range from 350 a kilometer for a 10K all the way up to 430 when marathon training. My next goal is to crush a marathon in 2021, one way or another. There's no limit when it comes to the NikeTempoNext Percent. They'll take me as far as I need to go.